Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 134.
FunMath number 134. We're still finishing up in section 6.5 of Art of Problem Solving. It's a pretty cool problem about mixtures. And even though we did a mixture problem yesterday, I thought we'd do another one today, just to drive the point home. You ready?
Yep.
You have 2 gallons of a mixture that is 30% acid and 70% water. You combine this mixture with 1 gallon of water. What percent of the new mixture is acid? Okay? Do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Alright. Go ahead.
So we've got 2 gallons of the first mixture.
Yep.
Which means that we could say there's 60 acid and 140 water.
Okay, you're just saying a gallon is 100, so 2 gallons is 200. Okay.
Then we have to plus 100 water.
Okay, so actually kind of an interesting approach. It's fine. We've got 2 gallons, so you got to figure out what percent is acid, what percent is water of this mixture. So you're just saying, hey, let's say a gallon is 100 of something. So that means there would be 60 of acid, 140 of water. When you put the new thing, the new gallon of water in, you'd be adding 100 water. Okay, fine. So what's your final mixture look like?
So we've got 60 acid and 240 water.
Okay, so you've got 60 acid and 240 water in your mixture. Okay, so what percent of the new mixture is acid?
It's...
Please write. Don't talk. Please write.
Well, you've got... It's 60 over 300.
60 over 300. Okay.
Equals x of 100.
You kind of smashed everything into the smallest part of the board that you could. So let me just erase. Okay, just so it's not too confusing. You got to work on your board presentation. You know what that means?
Yeah.
Just so that it's all kind of looks good. Okay, so we've got a total of 60 over 300, and this was supposed to equal x over 100.
We can just divide the entire thing by 3.
Okay.
It's 20 over 100, or 20%.
Okay. All right, very good. So why don't I go through this really quick just to lay it out in order. I like that way of doing it. I'm going to do it just a slightly different way. Okay, so I've got 2 gallons in the beginning and then 1 gallon that I combine with. And I'm going to say acid and water. Okay? Alright, so it says it's 30% acid, so that means I have 30% times 2, which is 0.6 acid, because 30% is 0.3, right? Why is that?
Because it's really close to a third.
What is 30% as a fraction?
30% is, it's 3/10.
It's 30 over 100,
which is
3/10, which is 0.3. When I multiply by 2, I get
0.6.
0.6. So if I've got 2 gallons and 0.6 is acid, how much is water?
It's 0.4. No. 1.4.
1.4 water. I've got 1 gallon that has no acid and
1 water.
1 water. So my total is 3 gallons. 0.6 acid and 2.4 water. Okay, and the question is what percent of the mixture is acid? It's 0.6 over 3. Okay?
Yeah, we can just multiply it by 10.
Okay, 0.6 over 3, which is 6 over 30, which is...
Just cancel. It's 1/5.
1/5, which is...
Just 20%.
20%. Okay? Your way was fine too, by the way. It just sort of started here and then went over here and then circled around here and then came back. And so I just wanted to go through it one last time kind of quick. Very good. Very good job. Okay. Think you're getting a good feel for these percent word problems?
Yep.